Hello everyone, this is Gomathi Shankar. I'm happy to meet you all in a new video. So thank you all my dear 19.6k subscribers. I thank you each and everyone right from the bottom of my heart. So keep sharing my videos and keep sharing my YouTube channel to all your trading circle. So what are we going to see in this video? So now I am going to give you a sheet for stock selection based on weightage in each and every Nifty indices. I am receiving many comments in my YouTube videos and I am receiving many messages as well as feedback from my followers. They are asking whether this CPR works only in Bank Nifty or whether it works in Nifty as well as in any other stocks. So this is the common question which I am getting frequently from many of my followers. They keep on asking, shall I use this strategy in Nifty? Shall I use this strategy in stocks? Shall I use this strategy in forex market? So this is the common question which I receive frequently. Okay, so I thought, okay, let me prepare a sheet for stock selection, because few people are trading in stocks but they are selecting a stock which is having poor liquidity. There is no proper stock selection from the traders. They are selecting Ashok Leyland, they are selecting Tata Motors, they are selecting Federal Bank. Since the stock prices are available in a very cheap price, people are focusing on low quality stocks. So I have prepared a sheet where all the indices are there. See, for example, I have focused on Nifty 50, okay, and in Nifty 50 I have taken only 10 stocks, okay. Out of the 50 stocks, I have taken only 10 stocks based on weightage. These all weightage I took from NSE India website. For each and every stock, for each and every indices, I personally took from Nifty NSE website and I prepared this sheet. Okay, this sheet I have already given to my students, and now I am giving this absolutely for free to all my followers. Okay, so based on weightage I have selected 10 stocks from Nifty. Okay, so what is the purpose of selecting these stocks? When you select these 10 stocks, these 10 stocks movement will be good, the volatility will be good in these kind of stocks. And in Nifty Bank I have selected these top 5 stocks, okay, based on weight. So based on weight I have selected top 5 stocks from Nifty Bank. Here this HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are already available in Nifty 50 also, okay. So you have to make a note of it, and these stocks are contributing more in Nifty Bank, okay. These top 3 stocks are contributing more in Nifty Bank, okay. So like this I have prepared for Nifty Pharma. See here, in Nifty Pharma many people are we traders are selecting stocks blindly. We are seeing Nifty top 10 gainers, we are seeing Nifty top 10 losers, okay. We are seeing news channels and taking the stock. We are seeing some Telegram channels and selecting the stocks, okay. Now I want you all to focus on each and every sectoral indices and only top stocks. For example, in Nifty Pharma, what most of the people will do, they will be trading in Aurobindo, they will be trading in Biocon, okay. So like this, if you are selecting some low liquidity stock, then the probability of winning is less, okay. So when you select these kind of top weighted stocks, what happens, the liquidity will be good, you will be getting some good kind of profits, and the winning ratio will be good. And if you look at Nifty Auto, in Nifty Auto there are many stocks. Okay, but I have personally selected only these 4 stocks from Nifty Auto based on weightage. So like that, each and every indices I have selected these stocks. See, for Nifty FMCG I have selected these stocks. Okay, now even here what you can do, see, if you want to focus on more good quality stocks, focus on top 3. If you want more clarity stocks, what you can do, focus on top 3 in each sectors. Okay, that will be my advice, personal advice. You can focus on top 3 stocks on each and every sector. Now here, if you look at these particular indices, Nifty commodities and Nifty metal, see here, some low priced stocks will be there. Okay, so you can ignore these kind of low priced stocks. Okay, ignore low priced stocks. And here finally Nifty energy also, NTPC is there. You can ignore this NTPC as well as power grid. I have selected minimum 3 stocks from every sector, but you can ignore whichever is below 200 rupees, like that. You can ignore on your own. But anyways, to show the weightage of every sector, I have chosen at least 3 stocks from every sector. Okay, so you can select any stocks from this list. So don't select Ashok Leyland, don't select Union Bank, don't select Federal Bank. Avoid noise. Avoid noise. Okay, trade only on these stocks. Okay, I will provide you this sheet. I will attach the Google Drive link in the below description. You can use this link. You can use this link. Okay, open it when you are in system. Select any stock from this particular list. Now for example, let us take, you are selecting any particular stock from this list. For example, let me select any stock. For example, ITC. Let me select ITC from Nifty 50. If I am going to trade in Nifty 50, what will I do? I will select any stock like ITC and I will look for some high probable setups. I will be looking for some high probable setups, whether in weekly chart there is a breakouts. Okay, in weekly chart whether there is a breakout, like that, like this, I will be focusing on some high probable stocks. See here, even if I am selecting ITC from that particular list, I will do my analysis like this. And I want all the retail traders, all my YouTube followers to do the same analysis. Please don't select any stock blindly. And remember one point, this CPR works beautifully in stocks also. I repeat, CPR indicator works very well even in stocks. Clear? So like this, I will be selecting stocks. I will be focusing on high probable breakouts. Whenever there is a high probable breakout, I will go for a short opportunity. Whenever there is a long opportunity, I will be going when there is a resistance breakout. Okay, so like this, I will be doing some personal analysis also. See, if you are selecting any stock from this list, don't take immediately and don't take blindly. Do your analysis in these stocks. And check where you can enter. Okay, so this is how you have to select a stock for intraday. Then you switch to 5-minute chart. Check the trend in weekly, check the trend in daily, and then you switch to 5-minute chart and look for some high probable trade opportunities. Okay, see ITC, beautiful trade. Okay, this strategy all my YouTube followers know. All my YouTube followers believe in my strategy. All my YouTube followers believe in my teaching. For example, look at ITC previous day high, R1 reversal. See, it is unable to cross the previous day high and R1. As soon as it started to come down, okay, you can go for a short. Support turning into a resistance, okay, and look at the fall in ITC. Now similarly on 20th April, previous day low and S1 is broken. Okay, this is previous day low, this is S1. Previous day low S1 is broken by a very fat Bahubali candle. This is the first candle itself is a Bahubali candle. Okay, and now you go for a short and look at the downtrend. So CPR tricks works everywhere. CPR tricks works everywhere, and even in stocks, even in Nifty. For example, I'm getting frequent comments about Nifty also. Many are asking post Nifty review also. Many people are asking post Nifty review also. See here, there is a narrow CPR. There is a narrow CPR. Look at this Bahubali candle. It is breaking the entire range. Hero candle. R1 previous day high is broken. Okay. R2 target reached. Now again R2 is getting broken. Okay. See here. Target reached. You can take 75% level. Again day high is getting broken. Again market is going up. Okay. So this is how it works. Look at the Dow theory which I taught you all. Look at the Dow theory which I taught to everyone. This is Dow theory. This is low. This is higher low. This is higher low. Once again, this is a higher low. So the point is CPR works in Nifty, CPR works in Banknifty, and CPR works in stocks also. Okay. So when you are selecting a stock, select high probable stocks. Okay. Retail traders are making mistakes in selecting high probable stocks. Retail traders are making a lot of mistake in selecting high probable stocks. So only I made this Excel sheet for you. Okay. So you can use this Excel sheet. I will provide you the link. By seeing this Excel sheet, select the stocks, draw trend lines, support, resistance, look for breakouts, and then use it for CPR strategies. Remember, my dear beginners, go long only when R1 previous day high is broken. Go short only when S1 previous day low is broken. And select these high probable stocks, and definitely you will be a profitable trader. Clear? So this is a very short video. Since I received many feedbacks and suggestions to post high probable stock selection, I did this video. Now I can see few YouTube channels, they are charging money for AMI broker AFL, especially CPR indicator. Few of my students and few of my YouTube followers, they told me new YouTube channels are charging money for AMI broker CPR AFL. Very soon, next week, I will post AMI broker CPR AFL absolutely for free. Don't worry at all. I will give AMI broker CPR AFL absolutely for free. Okay. So don't pay money to anybody and don't spend money for CPR AFL. It is already available in TradingView. I gave the CPR indicator absolutely for free. with weekly, monthly pivots, with weekly, monthly high low. Okay. Similarly, I will give CPR indicator for AMI broker also. Please don't waste your money. Retail traders, please don't waste your money. Clear? So, if you like my teaching style, come on, join my webinar, join my students team. Let's all together grow as a price action trading community. Okay. If you like this video, share it to all your trading circle and keep supporting me. Thank you. Bye.